This is the footage of Sangobuild's store preparation at Canton Fair. We brought many innovative, hot-selling, and newly launched designs of roofing materials, including solar roof tiles, asphalt shingles, stone-coated metal roof tiles, Chinese-style roof, and more. What you are seeing are our stone-coated metal roof tiles. They are interlocking shingles, normal shingles, golden tiles, and bond tiles. Asphalt roofing shingles are hot-selling in Southeast Asia and Latin America. We brought some top-selling designs. Let's have a look of the final result. We also would like to invite you to visit our factories. Sangobuild is the most comprehensive roofing materials manufacturer in China.